Derek here today, bringing you another vlog. This window is probably really bad. I'm gonna roll these up real quick. I'm heading to meet up with my buddy Gordon because, yeah, from the title and thumbnail of this video, you guys can clearly see something incredible has happened with him. And to be honest with you, it's like every time I go to his house or meet up with him, it's because he has a new car, which is kind of funny. Anyways, we'll get more into that, but as of right now, everyone, we are making the infamous Wawa trip because, you know, in every vlog, we have to head to Wawa because literally I need gas in every vlog.
In half a mile, turn left.
If this bitch does not shut up. Yep, getting that E85 Twin Turb Ski Coyote Swap Camry. Go get it. A lot of people out there get sponsorships for crazy things, you know, maybe like it's food, car parts, or other things like that. I wonder if there's a sponsorship out there for gas. So Wawa, I mean, if you guys want to go into partnership and hook your boy up with free gas for life, don't worry about it, I got a chance of promotion. But gas is done, and we need to get going because we're already late. Hear those Turbskis? All right, so we're making our way to Gordon's house as we speak, and I think I'm gonna hit some traffic. It's making me get on the highway, and Gordon lives in Short Pump, and for those of you in Richmond, Virginia, or in Virginia in general, you probably heard of Short Pump. Anyways, we're heading to Gordon's now, like I said. We're gonna get there, and then we'll pick this vlog right back up. All right, pulling up to Gordon's now, and I spy something pretty nice. Let's go ahead and get this thing parked, and we'll go see what he's up to. What's up? How have you been?
Pretty good.
See the new toy you got here. We're gonna go more into that in just a second. All right, so we just got to Gordon's house and we're actually gonna go get some food and stuff. But while we go and do that, we have the GoPro in the car. We're gonna get some driving time behind the wheel. He's gonna give us, you know, the whole story on the car. And, you know, I haven't introduced it to you guys yet, but here's a little startup and we can get right into it. All right, so we're gonna hop on the GoPro right now. All right, everyone, so we are now on the GoPro inside of Gordon's new car. And I know many of you guys are probably wondering, holy shit, how many cars has this kid gotten? And to be honest with you, it's been quite a few, but you know, each one has had their own stories. And if you're watching this video right now, you've probably known him from Snowbra, the $500 Cobra.
Or Lava, I mean, Lava was
or Lava, yeah, that's true. Actually, you know what, really quick, let's just do a little recap on all the vehicles and all the times we've had with Gordon. What's going on, everyone? Derek here, bringing you a quick little video. Today, I'm with my buddy Gordon and Lava 5.0.
She's back.
Yeah, she is back. Recently, Lava was in a car accident, little fender bender, but from the picture here, you can see what happened, and now she's alive. She's alive and well. But it is just amazing that he got this car for $500. I still can't believe it. I just can't believe it at all. And here are the taillights I was talking about. These taillights have the amber. These are the ones that go for $500 to $600 a set. And obviously they're in great condition. And the other part, the Cobra front bumper, you got lucky. It's amazing, absolutely amazing. Because if I would have saw this for $500, I would have been right there with them picking it up. So as you guys can see there, quite a few cars. And now we are in, is it a 14?
2014 Mustang GT Premium Track Pack.
And you want to tell them what the icing on the cake is?
It's got a VMP 2.3 liter Gen 2R supercharger, which is about 602, 544 torque. So all said and
so recently Gordon just went through 2010 Mustang GT, which, you know, had about 300 horsepower, and now he legit just doubled his horsepower with a 2014 Coyote, and it's insane. Now, like we did mention, he did have Lava, so this isn't his first 5.0, but this is his first blown 5.0, which, you know, put a blower on a 5.0, it's a game changer for sure. Gordon, do you want to go and give us just a little story on what happened with the 3-valve?
Alright, so basically, I bought Kona, my 3-valve, 2010 GT, February-ish, 2017, and owned the car up until about, actually this month?
2 weeks,
yeah,
right?
3 weeks ago. Talked to this girl, went on a date. She lived out in the middle of nowhere, and the roads where she lived on had been like wiped out from all the flooding we had like 2 months ago. So the road's really narrow. And I was coming up on a turn on the road, and there was a big deer taking up the entire road. And I know if I'd hit the deer, it would have just come through the windshield. So I swerved to the right, not knowing there was a ditch there. I thought it was past the yard, and ended up going in the ditch. And then trying to get out of the ditch, it was on the turn, so like this. So I turned left to get out of the ditch, and I went left side of the ditch, and total Kona. The K member was bent. The floor pins were bent a little bit.
guys, really quick, as I say, we're gonna grab some food real quick, and then after we grab food, we're gonna go driving. So see you guys in just a minute. All right, everyone, so we just got done eating. I am now in the driver's seat, gonna go take out Casper for the first time ever. And kind of anxious, because, you know, I don't know if there's gonna be a huge difference between this and a Whipple charged, you know, Coyote, because I've driven many of those. But we're about to find out. Oh God. Why are you saying oh God? It's like second gear spinning. We'll make you choke on that vape, boy. We got a tunnel coming up. We're gonna give it just burp. You know, Gordon, I'm not too sure if you're aware of this, but the last supercharged S197 I drove, I broke.
Yeah, I know.
Rolling. You good? You good?
Yeah.
Yeah, we snapped the belt. Hopefully the belt doesn't snap on this one. Ready? Some fun stuff, brother! Two bears sit in the woods. I've never heard of that. All right, so we just got done, you know, driving the car, and I will say it's a blast to drive. VMP blower on a Coyote. Didn't whine as much. I told him you could possibly do the sound tube modification. And for those of you that know what that is, probably get some more whine within the cabin. This thing definitely goes, and as you can tell from the poles, it really does. Puts you back in the seat, that's for damn sure. Well, nonetheless, guys, what we want to do, we want to go ahead and show off the car a little more. You just picked these up, and these are the GT350
from the
wheels. He just got those, and it does have an exhaust, as you guys could hear. Dial dynamics, side markers right there. We can just take a look at the interior. You guys probably didn't see much of it other than the GoPro, but Recaros, must have, absolutely wonderful feeling. And the shifter, I will say, it's the MGW. That thing, oh my God, it was perfect. But you need some tint, mate. Where's the tint? So CDC fog light kit, Roush upper and lower grille. We're gonna pop the hood, and this is where the good stuff is. So obviously the Coyote motor, got the VMP blower right there. But yes, everyone, this is it right here. 600 to the wheel on about 10 pounds of boost, full throttle. And it definitely has a lot more in her. So before the comments start flooding in, oh my God, a VMP blower on a Coyote, it's only at 600. Not only is it at 600, but it has a lot more it can go. Like I said, 10 pounds of boost max right now, full throttle. She's a beaut for sure. So there you have it, everyone. Gordon's new car. If you guys want to check him out on Instagram, it's right here, Casper50. You're gonna probably see a lot more of this car on the channel, honestly, because I'm pretty sure he is set in stone with this car as well. And you know, the modifications are just now starting, so it'll be really fun, you know. But yeah, everyone, that's pretty much it. Little, you know, introduction to the channel. Like usual, it's almost a ritual now, you know, whenever you get a new car, we have to say what's up. I will say by far, this is probably one of my favorites, just because, you know, you get in that bitch and she's gone. But yeah, there you have it, guys. Gordon's new car, Casper50. Go check him out. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much today's video. And if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you drop a like, drop a comment with any questions and concerns. If y'all say what's up, that's cool too. And today's DBP vlog shout out is going out to 3.8 Oreo. Thank you so much for your continued support, man. And make sure you guys go check him out on Instagram. And for those of you that want a chance to win a shout out on the vlogs, make sure you follow me on Instagram at DerekBaranProductions and use hashtag DBP Squad on all your posts. As you guys know, every time I film a video such as this one, I go to the hashtag, I see who used it, and boom, shout out. Update on the supercharger, intercooler should be here very soon, and then from there, ready to go. It's gonna be awesome. I'm excited. Anyways, guys, we will see you Wednesday. But until next time, we'll see you later.
Plug up. I don't even understand how the fuck my plug talk.